Greetings! How's it going? I hope you're having a great time. My name is Futopia, your virtual digital art tutor, and together, we'll learn how to draw cute creatures in your style with Clip Studio Paint. I created YouTube shorts for each of the cute creatures I made. The first one is the bunny, then a cat, and the guinea pig. Each mini tutorial will cover techniques from beginner to intermediate. Let's begin our first tutorial, Cute Bunny in watercolor style. Start with simple circles. Use a design pencil for a draft. Don't forget, with a new layer, use a real pencil to define the shapes. Now it looks like a bunny! Moving on to colors. With a new layer below the previous one, you can easily color it with a soft watercolor brush. He uses textured pen on top of a new layer to create unique lines. With a textured blender scattered on those lines, the bunny looks like a watercolor artwork. The second tutorial is Cute Cat in shiny style. Start with simple lines and circles. For the outline I use tapered pen. The more you press, the bolder its line. Set as reference layer for your ink outline, then create a new layer below your ink, rename it to block. Then use fill tool and choose colors you wish. Drop the color to the block layer until it's finished. Create two new layers, set clip to layer below for each. Set blending mode to multiply for shadows and glow dodge for highlights. The third tutorial is a cute guinea pig in semi-realism style. Practice a few complex shapes like a water drop. Make simple strokes for the furs. Tapered pen for the fur details. Please occasionally practice, then learn how to speed up or slow down during each stroke. With a new layer under the ink, I use turnip pen and fill the entire body and leaf on the ground with the fill tool. Adding a new layer, then setting it to multiply blending mode, I use real pencil for shadow, another new layer for highlighting. For the first blending, I use blend, fingertip, for each stroke on the highlight. Finish everything between the layers. Please see my other tutorials about drawing cute eyes and rim lights. Thank you for being here on my channel, and patiently taking the time to learn from my mini tutorials about cute creatures. I hope it's useful, and I wish you a blessed day.